Thank you for choosing the Ranger RML-1500XL Motorcycle and ATV lift. In this video, we will show you basic operation of your lift. The RML-1500XL comes equipped with a standard ramp as well as a low-profile adapter, making it easier to load bikes with lower ground clearance. Once the bike is safely up the ramp and on the platform, you can use the tie-down rings to secure the bike with straps. The included wheel vise will accommodate a wide range of wheel sizes and provides extra stability. The RML-1500XL gives you two options for lifting: hydraulic or pneumatic. The airline kit is included with the lift and is easily attached to the pump. Once connected to compressed air, this option will have your lift up in a matter of seconds. However, if you don't have air available, the hydraulic foot pump will get the lift up and ready to work with minimal effort. With 6 locking positions, you can get your bike or ATV at just the right working height, giving you ultimate convenience and accessibility. The locking system also features a sturdy, direct on-off lever, giving you peace of mind that the lift is secure. When it's time to lower the lift, simply disengage the lock and press the lowering pedal on the pump. The RML-1500XL also comes with built-in retractable casters, making it a breeze to move around between projects. The RML-1500XL is a full-featured motorcycle and ATV lift designed to help you get the job done. If you need more information, a full list of features and specs, as well as downloadable manual, can be found at bendpack.com. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to get the latest setup, how-to, and new product release videos.